I like to pretend like I know it all. I own an educational platform. I consider myself really, really smart, really intelligent, and, you know, but I really don't know anything. I don't know shit. And you wanna know what makes me smarter every day? Is the fact that I can acknowledge that I don't know shit. There's so much stuff to learn. There's so many new things that I can understand or even grasp more and understand more about, which means that I don't know everything about it. I can know a lot about something, but I don't know everything. And I can know a lot, but I sure as hell don't know it all. There's so many different forms and things in life. If you think that you know everything, how are you possibly gonna be open to new suggestions and new ideas and being able to grow as a person? Plus, nobody likes you if you act like you know everything.
That shit don't fly around me.
Right? Nobody's gonna like you. You need to always be open to ideas. If anybody ever says something and I'm like, that doesn't even sound like it's real, I say, but I'm open-minded. Sure, explain to me how that's possibly real. Because suddenly they could have a new perspective. They may still be wrong, but I can still learn from it. You can always learn from something. So you're gonna grow a lot faster and you're gonna win faster in music if you stop acting like you know it all. Because nobody does.
Nobody.
Yo, Rob, you're gonna change the game, man.
Listen, on everything, I watch you every day. I watch this man every day. His tips work on God. Like the shit that you be talking about, bro, I listen to it every day, man.